Hi, I'm Arpit Goyal from Berkowits Hair and Skin Clinics, and today we're going to talk about customized hair patches. What are customized hair patches? Simply put, customized hair patches are patches that are made for you. They are customized for you. As compared to a stock unit, which is mass produced, a customized unit is produced individually for your needs and requirements. What is the difference between a customized unit and a stock unit? The same difference that there is between a ready-made garment and a well-tailored garment. How is a customized hair patch produced? The first step is to make a mold of your scalp. We make customized molds from clear templates that are wrapped tightly around your scalp, and then multiple layers of tapes are put on it. As more and more layers of tapes are put, this takes the shape of your scalp, and we get something like this. This is a mold of your scalp, complete with every contour, with every shape. There is the precise depth, there is the precise size, which will be now sent to the factory, and the hair unit will be customized for you. There will be no more bubbles, you will have the exact size, no more wrinkles. Step 2 is to fill out this form. This form entails every other detail that we would like your customized hair unit to be. So let's start from what the first detail is. The first detail is hair direction. Every hair patch will have the hair knotted in a certain direction. In a stock unit, mostly this is freestyle because they want as many hairstyles to be possible, but not at a cost. If you are wearing your hair in a particular hairstyle, I would recommend you opt for a particular hair direction. So if I am parting my hair on the left, I ensure that all my hair direction is made in a way that my hair is set in that direction always. So that means it's easier styling, it's easier to manage. The next thing on a form is hair density. Now this is one thing where I have a lot to complain. I have seen people opt for a lot of hair density which looks very unnatural. Please opt for a natural looking hair density that suits your hairstyle, that suits your age. And this is what we entail in this form. What is the total hair density that you would like? So for example, if maybe you choose you want a light to light medium hair density. For example, if you want a light or a light to medium hair density in a stock unit, your hair technician will have to use thinning scissors. These thinning scissors will leave small prickly hair which will then bother you for the rest of that patch. To avoid that, I would recommend getting the patch made according to the density that you want. The next step is to match your exact hair color. So you don't have to color the hair patch, you don't have to color your own hair, and there is a seamless merge. Another thing that I would like to recommend everyone to do is that if you want to have highlights, use a customized hair unit. Do not color your stock patch because that patch becomes processed, the hair becomes processed. You will end up making the hair rough. The next step is to match the exact wave or the exact curl of your hair so that you don't have to process the hair of your hair patch. Remember, always remember that the more you process hair, it becomes weaker, it becomes prone to hair fall. And you can avoid that by choosing your exact wave or curl on your hair patch. Another thing a customized hair unit will allow you to have is to have mixed white or grey hair. This is crucial for your customized hair patch to look natural. Because what eventually starts happening is you start graying from your natural hair, but your hair patch is all black. To avoid that, we ensure to put some grey hair in your hair patch. Now this can also be customized. You can have more white hair on your temples, which for that seamless merge, or you can have 5 to 10% or 20% overall grey hair. If you're slightly aged and want to have a completely grey hair, there's that option for you too. Finally, then we have different options on what is the front shape. If you are slightly middle-aged, I would recommend you to have a more V-shaped front so that you can show your temples. This will look a lot more natural than the U shape I see everyone wearing. The U shape will give you a full hairline. This is a brief introduction of customized hair units today. I hope I was of help. Thank you so much for being with me. Bye-bye.